Hello everyone, welcome back to The English Friend. I'm Emily, your English teacher. And today we're learning how to talk about health and your body in English. This is one of the most useful topics because if you ever travel abroad, visit a doctor, or talk about feeling sick, you need the right words. And guess what? You don't need to be a doctor to talk about health. Just some simple English can help you explain how you feel.
Hi, Emily. Honestly, I always get confused when people say things like, I have a sore throat or I'm not feeling well. I never know which phrase to use.
That's what we'll fix today. We'll learn useful body vocabulary, how to talk to a doctor, and some easy daily health expressions, all in simple English. Ready, Paul?
Ready and healthy.
Let's start with the basics, our body parts. Can you name a few, Paul?
Sure, head, eyes, nose, mouth, and stomach?
Perfect. Here's a quick list for everyone watching. Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, chest, stomach, legs, feet, toes. Now, let's use them in sentences. My head hurts. I have a pain in my stomach. My throat is sore.
Wait, what's the difference between hurt and pain?
Good question. Hurt is a verb. Something is hurting. Example, my leg hurts. Pain is a noun. You have a pain. Example, I have pain in my back. Now let's learn some common health problems. I'll say the problem, you guess the meaning, okay?
Okay, I'll try.
Cold, I have a cold.
That means you're sneezing and your nose is runny.
Yes. Cough, I have a cough.
That's when you go cough, cough.
Ha ha ha. Exactly. Fever, I have a fever.
That means your body temperature is high. Sore throat. My throat hurts when I talk or swallow. Headache, pain in the head. Stomach ache, pain in the stomach. Backache, pain in your back. Toothache, pain in a tooth. Injury, when you hurt part of your body. Example, I injured my arm. Allergy, when your body reacts badly to something. Example, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Now imagine, Paul, you're visiting a doctor. Let's do a small role play.
Oh no, am I sick again?
Ha 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 ha. Just pretend. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
How long have you been feeling sick?
For 2 days.
Okay, you should rest and drink a lot of water. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Great job. See, that's simple English. You don't need big words. Just express how you feel and answer politely.
Yes, now I can easily talk to a doctor in English.
Let's also learn how to talk about health habits. I drink water every day. I eat fruits and vegetables. I exercise in the morning. I sleep 8 hours a night. I try to avoid junk food.
And sometimes, I just relax.
Ha ha ha. Relaxing is also good for health. But when someone is sick, we can say, get well soon, take care, hope you feel better.
I hear people say bless you when someone sneezes. Why?
That's a polite expression. When someone sneezes, you say, bless you, to wish them good health. Okay, friends, it's practice time. I'll say a situation, and you repeat or answer, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Get well soon.
Thank you.
Drink lots of water.
Okay, I will.
Now, everyone watching, say it with us. Let's make your English stronger through practice. Word/phrase meaning example sentence. Fever. High body temperature. I have a fever today. Headache. Pain in the head. She has a headache after work. Cough. Sound you make when sick. He has a bad cough. Sore throat. Throat pain. My throat hurts when I swallow. Medicine. Something you take to feel better. Take this medicine twice a day. Doctor. Medical professional. I visited the doctor yesterday. Patient. Person getting treatment. The patient is resting now. Hospital. Place for medical help. She works at a hospital. Exercise. Activity for health. I exercise every morning. Healthy, in good shape. Eating fruits keeps you healthy. Diet. The food you usually eat. I'm on a healthy diet. Rest. Relax to recover. You should rest for a while. Appointment. Meeting with doctor. I have an appointment at 5 p.m. Symptoms. Signs of sickness. My symptoms are mild. Prescription doctor's note for medicine. The doctor gave me a prescription. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Body parts. Head, arms, legs, stomach, back, throat, etc. Common illnesses. Cold, cough, fever, sore throat, headache, stomachache. Doctor conversation. Describing symptoms, answering questions. Health habits. Drink water, eat healthy food, sleep well. Polite phrases. Get well soon, take care, bless you.
That's a lot. But you explained everything clearly, Emily.
Thank you, Paul. Remember, you don't need to memorize everything. Just start using small sentences every day. Friends, English is not about perfection. It's about communication. If you can tell someone, I have a headache, or I'm not feeling well, that's already great progress. So don't be shy. Use these words in your real life.
And if you get nervous, just breathe deeply and remember, you're learning something amazing.
Exactly. Practice a little every day. Drink water, stay healthy, and keep learning English with the English friend.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Bye. Stay happy and healthy.